Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and since I talked way too long on Thursday's video, I am filming a back-to-back video and we're going to do acquisitions for this week. So, I have been working in the process of trying to stash down, and I did have a little bit of budget left over after I made my purchases at the Southern Comfort Fiber Market. So I decided to treat myself to a yarnable purchase, or a Hypnotic yarn purchase. It's not yarnable, it's Hypnotic yarn. Hypnotic yarn is the company that does the yarnable boxes. So before, when I unboxed, what was it, June? I think it's June. I had said we could do, we could smush this with Somebody Loves You. And there were like 3 of the ALC boxes that we said this would work with. So I went ahead and bought a DK of the Unicorn Dreamscapes. Now Cheryl did not have just a single skein of the DK weight. So I did buy an extra month's box. So this also has the hand soap in it. Unicorn whip, or it's body soap, but bath soap. I'm gonna use it as hand soap in my bathroom. I have another set of the unicorn stitch markers, which I am not gonna complain because I am loving these stitch stoppers. And I also got another one of the markers that you hook it onto your project from this side, and you can move this dongle to the size hook or needle that you're using. I love these. This is absolutely clever. I think these types of markers are ingenious, especially if somebody is like me and not project monogamous. So that will go with the stuff that I already have to go together in a DK weight project. I do kind of have an idea as to what that DK weight project is going to be, but I'm not 100% positive. I need to look at everything all together to see if that's what I want to do before I announce it. But yeah, so I got this to pair with Somebody Loves You and the ALCs that we said this would go with. Up next, from the same order. Kim packed my order this time. This is actually why I placed the order, and you guys are going to be absolutely shocked. Oh, to hit free shipping, I did buy another set of markers, or the stitch stoppers, just because I love them. I really do. And we got some pineapple soak. This is what I actually made the order for, though. I don't know why I'm so in love, but I am absolutely genuinely in love with this. I did get 2 hanks of this. This is the zucchini on the plush sock fingering base. I don't know. I don't know why I love it. I don't know why it just said buy me, make me, share me. But it did. I don't know why. This is not what, once again, this is not what I normally go for, but for some reason, this just so yeah, I'm very, very excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It might just go in my basket for now. Or when I get the new house, it'll go in the basket. But I'm in love. Absolutely. I will try to remember once again to leave links in the description box down below, but I am working on limited resources again, so if I forget, please bear with me. Go to hypnoticyarn.com. Actually, you don't even have to do that. It's already in my description box because I have an affiliate link with Yarnable down there. So if you go through that, you can skip over to that. But anyway, this was I think the June Yarnable, which is the monthly subscription box. This was this month's yarn. Sunflower themed for the month of September. It was adorable. I have an unboxing for it. Go check it out. You won't regret it, I promise. So I did make an acquisition purchase. Now, I'm not counting this towards the goal just because I got this to go with a set of other things. I get mine in the fingering weight, but I used to get my ALC in DK weight. So I had a bunch of ALCs I wanted to match in DK. Some bunny and this one matched perfectly. I already have the some bunny. I needed this. And I think that perfectly gives me the collection I need to complete the fade. All right. So while I was at the Southern Comforts Fiber Market 2 weeks ago, which seems like, I think it's been 2 weeks. I don't know anymore. Let's see. Last week was the 16th. The week before that. Yeah, so it's been like 2 weeks. I met up with Erica, if you saw the walkthrough, and she brought me some prizes. So she went down to Arkansas and met with Lori in person, and she sent me back a tote bag with one of the Arkansas Yarn Company pins. This is for the yarn crawl down there. Statewide yarn crawl. So I was very appreciative of that. Now, because I do keep my channel PG, I'm going to show you these from back here. But Erica also bought me 2 little project bags with some naughty, naughty language on them. So yeah, those are very cute. There's the Salt Girl there, so you can kind of get an idea of. Anyway, so thank you, Erica. They're adorable. And thank you, Lori, for sending the bag up. I can always use another tote bag, especially right now while like all my bags are being used for toting things and ferrying things. I think that's just kind of been the theme of the last couple weeks. Anyway, those are my acquisitions for the last 2 weeks that were not associated to the Southern Comforts Fiber Market. So anyway, you guys, I just wanted to share, let you guys see what I got. I love you. I talked way too much in Thursday's video, so I did have to kind of spin this off because we had story time and there was a lot of story time to share. The last 2 weeks have been very dramatic. It is what it is. Anyway, I love you guys. Definitely go check out Hypnotic Yarn. I don't want to misspeak, so I'm not going to say that. Anyway, I love you, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.